So hello student, welcome back to another video of our practical. Aim of our practical, that is to differentiate the different component from the mixture of the sand, as per example this common salt and ammonium chloride. So here we have the mixture of the sand which contain the ammonium chloride and our common salt. So how can we separate out this mixture of the sodium chloride and ammonium chloride and the sand? So before we study, before we going further, we have to recall our knowledge about some topics, that is the sublimation. Okay, so as we studied in our previous practical, that is practical number 4, about the sublimation. So we know that in this mixture there is the ammonium chloride, then sodium chloride and sand. So first of all, we have to make make the activity for the sublimation. Due to the sublimation, that ammonium chloride is sublimated, and on the cooling, that sublimated ammonium chloride, or we can say that gaseous ammonium chloride, which is converted into the solid ammonium chloride, and by the means of that we will get the solid ammonium chloride. Now the remaining part, which contains sand and sodium chloride. So we are going to add some water on that particular solution, and due to on that particular mixture, and due to the water, our salt, which is dissolved in the water, and the remaining part, that is contain only sand. So now we are going to filtrate out that solution, and we will get this sand in our filter paper. We will separate it from this solution. Now remaining solution, which contain water and salt. Now what we have to do to get the pure form of the salt? So we know that we are going to evaporate. So by the means of the evaporation, we will get by the practical of the evaporation, we will get the pure salt. So let us perform our activity. So okay student, so we have to perform this activity, and to perform this activity we have to take this dish. In this dish there is a mixture of the sand which having the ammonium chloride and common salt. Here we have the tripod stand, this is the Bunsen burner, this is the wire hose, and now we are going to put this dish on this tripod wire hose. Now we are going to take this funnel, and on this funnel, the steam of this funnel, we are going to put the cotton plug. So let us arrange this funnel in the inverted form, and due to this, when the ammonium chloride is heated, it is converted into the gaseous state, and on the cooler part of this funnel, the gas is collected, and after the cooling process occurs, that gaseous gaseous ammonium chloride is converted into the solid. So let us observe what will be happening. So as you can see here, due to the sublimation, we will get the solid ammonium chloride in the form of this solid, and due to the sublimation, this solid ammonium chloride is converted into the gaseous form, and on the cooling, this solid ammonium chloride, which is in the form of the gases, which is converted into the solid. Now the remaining is our sand and sodium chloride. So what we have to do, we are going to dissolve this mixture in water, and after the dissolving the water, we are going to filtrate out this sand, and remaining the solution we are going to evaporate it, and due to the evaporation we will get our pure salt, that is the sodium chloride. Okay, so we have already transferred our mixture of the sand and our common salt in this beaker, and we have added some water. Now we are going to stir it well, so our salt, which is dissolved in our water. Okay. Now we have to take this filter paper and fold it in such a manner, and put this filter paper in this funnel. And now we are going to filtrate this solution from this mixture. So you can see that in this solutions, there is on the bottom of this beaker there is a pure sand. On the top of this in the liquid there is a water and our salt. So let us transfer this solution, or we can filter it. So after the filtration process is complete, we will get in this funnel, in the filter paper, you can able to see there is our pure sand. Now you are go with this sand in the and dry it, you will get the pure sand and the dry sand. Okay, so let me put Now we have this solution in our evaporating dish, that is the solution of the water and our salt. So we have to give some heat to this solution, and after the evaporization take place, the water is evaporate from this dish and remaining that solid or that salt, that is known as our common salt. So let us give some heat to this solution. So here we are going to evaporate these solutions. After the evaporization, water will be evaporated from this evaporating dish, and after the evaporization take place, we will get our pure salt. So you can able to see that after the evaporization, we will get our pure salt. So by the means of this, our knowledge about the sublimation, evaporizations and the filtrations, we can able to see after these three, our knowledge about the filtrations, evaporizations and the sublimations, we will able to separate out the mixture of the sand from the mixture, that is the sodium chloride, ammonium chloride and the salt. So that's all about our practice.